I didn't make $500 a week using ChatGPT the way most people think. No trading, no content farms, no selling prompts, no courses. In fact, ChatGPT didn't make me a single dollar by itself. And this is where most people get it wrong. They think AI makes money by creating things, posts, videos, prompts, ebooks. That's not where the money is. The money showed up when I used ChatGPT to fix one boring problem that businesses deal with every single day, and almost all of them completely ignore. If you simply like the video, subscribe and comment free course, I'll send you a private link to my full step-by-step program, my templates, my scripts, and my live Zoom workshop worth $97, all for free. Here's what happened. A local business paid for leads. People called, no one answered. Those customers didn't wait. They didn't leave voicemails. They didn't complain. They just called the next business on Google. And that's when it clicked. ChatGPT doesn't make money by creating content. It makes money when you use it to replace missed actions, missed calls, missed messages, missed follow-ups. So instead of asking ChatGPT to write content, I used it to automate one simple task businesses were already losing money on. That single change started generating around $500 a week consistently. And once you see this, you'll understand why this works for plumbers, electricians, salons, real estate agents, pretty much any local business. Let me walk you through the system step by step. Before we go further, throw your credit card away. I don't sell courses. I don't sell dream lifestyles. I don't sell make money overnight nonsense. My mission is simple: free education. Fake gurus teach fantasies. Real operators build systems. I run an agency. I use AI to replace human failure points inside real businesses. That's it. No hype, no magic. Just systems doing boring work better than people. Here's the real problem behind the hook. Local businesses don't lose money because they don't get leads. They lose money because they don't respond fast enough. A call comes in, missed. A WhatsApp message, seen too late. An Instagram DM, forgotten. And speed matters. If a business doesn't reply in the first 60 seconds, the customer is already gone. So the opportunity isn't AI content. The opportunity is AI replacing missed actions. That's where the money is. Now let me show you the exact system I used. Once you open this AI software, first thing, click Conversations on the left panel. This is where everything changes. Every message from every platform shows up in one inbox. WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, website chat, SMS, email, all in one place. Now here's the important part. With AI replies turned on, the system responds instantly using your tone, your scripts, your rules. So when someone messages a business at 9:43 p.m., they don't get ignored. They don't wait until morning. They get an immediate, intelligent response. This alone fixes about 70% of the money problems local businesses have. Now click Calendars. This is how messages turn into money. You set availability once, clients book automatically. The system sends confirmations, reminders, and follow-ups. No staff, no receptionist, no missed appointments. So now instead of "we'll call you back," the system says, "here's the booking link." That's a huge conversion jump. And here's the cheat code. You can hit build using AI, describe what you want, and the system builds the workflow for you. No Zapier headaches, no duct tape tools. Just one system doing the work automatically. Inside the system, click Reputation. This is the control center for Google reviews, Facebook reviews, business listings, visibility. From one screen, you can automatically request reviews via SMS or email. Trigger review request after appointments, payments, or bookings. Monitor every review in real time. Respond instantly to reviews from one dashboard. Catch low reviews before they damage the business. No logging into Google, no chasing customers, no manual follow-up. If you like, subscribe and comment software, I will send you the full access of this software into your DMs. Here's how this becomes $500 a week. You don't charge per message. You don't charge per automation. You package the system. For example, AI inbox plus missed call automation, booking system, follow-ups plus reminders. Charge $200 to $500 per month per business. 5 clients at $100 a week each. That's it. No ads, no content grind, no chasing virality. Just boring systems solving expensive problems. If you want this exact system, click the link in the description or pinned comment. Join my free live workshop. You'll get an extended 30-day trial, weekly coaching, and access to the FCA members area. Everything is free because I run an agency, not a course business. Click the link in the description. Go to launchyoursoftware.com. Quick thanks to our platform partner, launchyoursoftware.com, for powering the systems you just saw. Here's the truth. ChatGPT didn't make me money. Systems did. AI just made those systems fast, consistent, and impossible to forget. In the next video, I'll break down how to pitch this to a local business in under 5 minutes without sounding like a tech guy or a salesman. Subscribe so you don't miss that. And remember, real money isn't made by creating more stuff. It's made by fixing what's already broken.